Hello my friends, this is Steven from Hikway. Nice to see you again. Okay, today I would like to introduce you a Wi-Fi Direct Connect to MDVR for live view and configuration. Okay, so we need a device like this. Okay, this is a Wi-Fi AP. Okay, then we put this to the USB. Okay. Okay, like this, and then we'll use the mobile phone, right? Okay, first we need to connect to the Wi-Fi of the MDVR. Okay, let's see. Okay, connected to the Wi-Fi AP of the MDVR. Then we open the CMS V6, okay, and then we find the device. Okay, like this. Okay, you can see, right? Okay, so this is very convenient for you installation, right? And in fact, here is some basic settings of the mobile DVR. Okay, let's insert the password. Okay, you can see setup, right? Base setup, right? Like basic information, mirror setup, and here is the lab work. Okay, three G 4G setup. Okay. Okay, this is the a brief introduction of the Wi-Fi Direct Connect of the MDVR, and this is very convenient for your installation and operation. Okay, so if you need to know more information, please check with us. Thanks.